The big factor is when you buy a relatively old house, which in this case was the case, and not properly renovated, whatever amount we spent on this one, the value of this property right now is way more than the property of a new house, let's say in a Ponds or other suburbs, which are or even a Box Hill, where the houses are actually like the size of a box. So this one has a way higher value compared to what those properties are. In fact, there's a property in Glenwood here, single story property, which was renovated. It was sold for a much higher price than ours, exactly in the same week. And our property value is 250,000 more than that right now. And we bought it for 250 less than them. So,
and yet this one is a double story and that one was single
that
story.
one is a single story, same land size. So the gap right now, that time the gap was 200,000 less for us. Now we are at least 250 over them, at least over them. So right. Obviously it's a question of, do you want to put in the hard yards and do the hard, and the biggest plus is you get to do it your way. So if we like black, we do black, we like green, we do green, right? That's a big plus. So no question about that. It's best if you can get a bigger block of land and renovate yourself, if you have good renovator like Mr. Sidhu.